Have you ever wondered why some people's nose starts giving sound effects while they sleep? Yes, I'm talking about snoring. Actually, when we sleep, the muscles in our throat and nose relax. Air struggles to pass smoothly, and what happens? Our nose becomes a free musical instrument. Some people sound like a motorcycle, some sound like a chainsaw, and some, like a broken flute. So remember, snoring isn't just funny, it can also mean your body isn't getting enough air. But hey, at least now you know why your nose turns into a DJ while you're asleep.